So, hi everyone, welcome to the Hall of Fame interview, and we have a very special guest with us today. Her name is Garima Gupta, and we have Coach Jyoti Chaudhary. So, I was informed by Jyoti that since Garima joined our Gold membership, she was having some health issues. So, I was informed that within just 2 months, Garima, she was having a lot of swelling in her ankles from last 14 years, which has been completely gone. Her monthly cycle started after 4 years gap, and this is like a big achievement for every one of us. The thyroid medicine has been tapered around 50 or 75%. I'll ask you this, Garima, shortly, how much your thyroid medicine has been gone. And you're saying that your energy levels are up remarkably. The breathlessness while walking, you could not even walk a kilometer. Now you're taking stairs for hours and walking for hours. Your hair fall has been stopped. Your lethargy has gone, and you feel very active. And you also say that your wrong food craving has been gone, and you eat right and at the right time. In the last 2 months, you have experienced 5 kg weight loss, 5 kg, total 10 kg or 5 kg?
8 kgs in total.
8 kgs, okay. Total 8 kgs weight loss. Skin is glowing. No dryness and nails have improved. And you have tapered 75 medicines since yesterday, okay. So I'm also very happy. First of all, thank you for showing faith in naturopathy and in your coach.
My pleasure.
And in the entire system. So I would like to hear from you, how has been your experience?
My experience has been great with Jyoti ma'am. I mean, she's like lighting factor in my life now. I have benefited a lot from naturopathy. Thanks to Go Nature, I have tapered my thyroid medicine 75%. My swelling in the ankle is gone. I mean, I was suffering from it for the last 15 years. So now it's gone. I can see my, natural feet after 15 years without swelling. So that's a big achievement for me. And weight loss, obviously, it is one of the added feature. And my hair fall, I was, experiencing severe hair fall for the past 2-3 years, and which has stopped now. I mean, it's a miracle completely.
So, Garima, small question from my side. You are in the weekly mastermind right now. A lot of questions are coming related to women PCOD, PCOS, and you yourself said that your periods came after 4 years naturally.
Yes, absolutely.
So, would you like to throw some light on this factor that way, the hormonal imbalance in women? What message you would like to give women because they're suffering? What was your experience naturally?
I think eating right is very important at the right time. That is key to any, disease. If you get any disease, eating right, you have to make a lifestyle change, and that should be forever, not for like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. It has to be forever. So lifestyle change can, really cure your disease. You don't need any medicines for that. Your food can cure you.
So true. And apart from that, how was the experience in terms of applying it? Because we believe in giving the simplest, easiest method to use so that people can do from their home. Like a lot of people, they are working. So can you please throw some light on people who think that naturopathy is very tough, would be like very difficult?
No, it's not tough at all. Actually, it's a mind game. Once you decide that you have to do it, it's very easy. It's very simple.
And how has been Jyoti with you in this entire journey?
Oh, she has been amazing. She was there with me every now and then wherever I needed her. She was just a call away or a message away. It has been an exhilarating experience with her.
Thank you so much, Garima, for showing light on these things, and congratulations for your healing. And I think
thank you so much.
Long way to go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'll come to the angel coach Jyoti Chaudhary. She's from Delhi. By the way, Garima, you are from which city?
I'm from Delhi only.
So Jyoti, I'll come to you. How has been your experience with Garima?
Yeah, so good evening, everyone. Journey with actually all my clients is amazing and wonderful. Garima, when she joined, I felt a little reluctance from her side, but then once she joined, I think there was no looking back. Like every day, I think she was giving 100%, which is actually what is required when we really want to reverse all our diseases. And Garima is one student who, gave a complete potential what she has. And all the changes which she just shared with all of us, I think it had to happen. Because only when we are committed and consistent and determined, I think there's no looking back if we really tread on the path we have taken. So Garima has just, is a living example for all of us present here, that how we can reverse, how we can transform our health from bad to good when we are really committed to it. And naturopathy is the answer for that. So thank you so much, Garima, for being here in spite of your busy schedule. I think she just moved in she was out somewhere. And thank you so much. And I was also attending a function, and she was committed and I was committed too.
Your pleasure is all
mine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you
so much, Garima. Thank you so much, Jyoti. And this video is going to motivate a lot of women out there. And thank you so much for showing up. So everybody, please like MPTY for Garima and MPTY for Jyoti and MPTY for Jyoti. Thank you, guys, and it was awesome. Thank you so much.